So I went to Dollar Tree and I have a quick haul. And I'm going to go through this fast. If y'all hear noise, my granddaughter's over here playing. She refused to take a nap today, so here we are. But anyway, I'm going to start with my stickers. These are so darling. I love those. Easy on, easy off. They're for your light switch. Repositionable and removable, but Mod Podge cures everything, doesn't it? Yeah. Picked up these. They're Puffy Stickers. I thought they were very, very cute. Farmhousey, springy, whatever. Just cute. Bless you. Then I got these. I don't really do Valentine's Day, decorate for it or anything. I don't know who does, really, but I like that sticker and that sticker, so I picked these up. Then I got these. These, I'm trying to angle it where you can see because the light is bright. But these are craft decals, and this, you know, I'm a sucker for sunflowers, and these are just so stinking cute. So I picked up that one, and then I found this one. Now, my Dollar Trees, when they get stuff like this, they're picked over, picked through, unless I get there when a truck comes. That one says love, not enthused with the feathers, but, you know, it was on the one that I did like, which was this one. So you have it. Okay, y'all know I'm a sucker for rub-on transfers, and these are so gorgeous. These are new. It's the first time I've ever seen them in a Dollar Tree. And I have like 7 that I go to. 6 or 7. Oh, I love it. And then this one I absolutely love. That is so pretty. Can't wait to use these. Okay, now my wood. I found boxes that are houses. These would have been really cute at Christmas time. Might save them for that. I don't know. But anyways, they stack. This one, of course, doesn't. But I thought those were pretty neat, so I grabbed them. I found one of these ladders that say home, and I grabbed it. I'm thinking maybe I could get this off if I don't want it on there, but I'm not sure. But we'll see. If I do break it, I can make another one. You know, it's no big deal. I found these wood blanks. There's 6 each. There's the long ones and then the square ones. These are 4x5 by 4x5. And these are 7.1 by 2.8. Yeah, that's what it said. It was in a crack and I couldn't see. Or a crinkle or whatever. Found this. These are new to our store. This can easily come off with fingernail polish remover. This is wood, and I thought it was really cute. This screws off. Same thing. You can remove that. This little house, little wooden house, and I don't know. I'll redo that somehow. Then I picked up one of these, y'all. I just got a laser cutter and engraver. And I realized when I went to the Dollar Tree, there are so many items that you can get there to use in your laser engravers. I'll do a little DIY with that at some point. It's so neat. I'm so excited about it. And then I picked up one of these. These are new. This is metal, and it actually unscrews and comes off. But you could pop any picture in there. And, you know, if you wanted to put more of a family thing or write names or your grandchildren and put their picture in, that'd be awesome right there. But I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I just seen it and love it. But anyway, moving on. What do you see? I mean, really? Spring. Spring. You got me on this. We're going to redo this. I picked up one of these coffee mug thingies. It has a stand on it. Don't know if I'm going to use that, but I wanted to make a new farmhouse sign for my coffee bar for the just any time. So I'll do that. I found a chalkboard house. They have these new wood farmhouse signs. Now, I am, I guess, OCD kind of when I come to things being off, and this is not right. They had different shapes, like, I don't know, octagon maybe, I'm not sure what it is, hexagon, octagon, but anyways, I picked up this one because it was the most centered one, and I'm going to try to get this off. Now, if I can get this off without breaking it, I might go get more, but they are so, so, so pretty. They're already painted, done for you, distressed looking, so I picked up that, and also has the beads. That's a plus. Then if you see these and you are farmhousey or country, oh honey, these are nice. I used one in the winter, and then I found this one. Absolutely love these. I'll probably have that in the laser engraver. And then I have, oh, the flower pots. I picked up 2 packs of these mini pots. These are the ones, kind of the size that I used for my little dolls in my first video for 2023. But anyway, those are cute for the spring. I picked up 2 of those. I did grab one of these just because I got something I want to do with it. I found the wood curled roses, and I picked up a pack of those. I picked up these felt flowers. They did have the styrofoam ones, but I liked these a little better. The styrofoam are smaller. I don't know. I really like these, so I grabbed them. Then I found this cute little lace. This is so pretty. Look. It's hearts. It is so pretty. It's 1.3 yards, so you're getting a yard of it. So it's 36 inches. Then I picked up some fat quarters. I got 2 rolls of felt. You can use this for batting as long as you're not putting it in a microwave or anything like that. For projects or, you know, in the winter for snow or whatever. But I picked up 2 of the felt. And then I got all these beautiful fat quarters. We're going to be doing something at the church, and I'm teaching them a sewing project. So I picked up some fabric. My first lady of our church picked up some fabric. These are mine. So anyways, I picked those up. And then I was looking, and I found this. This is one of those weeder things, y'all. I almost threw it all out there. This is one of the weeder things, and it sticks. It suction cups down so that when you put you just go at it until it's not sticky no more. But anyway, that is so neat. I'm going to give it a try. Then I found this vinyl paper, and I don't use this in any of my machines, Cricut or anything as of yet. I haven't, but you know, you see that sign? That is so cute. So I picked these up. You do not have to have a machine to use those. Then I seen these. These were over where the glasses and stuff are. These are hanging lids. They screw on mason jars, and I opened one to show you. And they're just mason jar lids with a chain on it. But y'all, these chains are pretty sturdy, so I'm impressed. I picked up 2 of them and some lids. I might not use these till later, but I picked up 2 packs of those because I needed them. And then I found these 2, I found hooks. I never find these in my Dollar Tree. And so I grabbed these to make something for my mudroom. And y'all, these were the neatest things. These are Cathedral Windows. They're brand new. They had different colors. Do you hear it? It's metal. These are metal, and I grabbed white because I figured it would be easier if I painted it. But the detail in these are so, so pretty. I got 2 of them. I don't even know why, but I love them. I love them. I'm going to do something with those. Then I grabbed one of these because my Swiffer Wet Jet will take these. It's Velcro. This is Velcro. You just stick it on there. They have the scrubber pad, and I like these. Just throw them in the wash. I love them. Tip to you. And then I picked up one of these. I have not seen these in probably 6 to 8 months, y'all. I seriously needed these around Christmas time. I mean, I didn't do many DIYs for winter or Christmas because that was about the time my brother passed when the DIYs were coming out. And I was away in Florida helping with him. But anyways, I was able to find these, so I picked up quite a few of these. Quite a few. I finally found these. I don't know if they're farmhouse lights. They don't say, just LED hanging lamps. But these look like something that would be hanging out on a doodad on a barn or something. You know what I'm saying? So I picked them up. I've been wanting these forever and never could find them. Our dollar stores never got them, and they finally did. So I grabbed a couple of those. Now this is so weird, so random, but I picked up a toy. When I saw this mini sewing machine, I thought, oh no, it's not going to look like that for long. I'm going to redo this and use it for sewing decor. I think it's so stinking cute. You wind it up though, and it will go. I don't know. It's so funny. I don't know. It's for ages 3 and up, and I'm above 3, so I guess I can have it, right? If I want it. Let me pause this, y'all. You wind this up. Watch this. Look. How stinking cute is that? Oh my gosh. It might not do that when I get done with it, but ain't that just the cutest little thing? If y'all like this video, you know the drill. Until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye.